First, you see you bring something for me to eat. What you want?
Come on, say you're hungry.
Normally, me know. I mean, would have to get up and go look for something to eat.
Say no, thank God. At least.
Me thank God, yes. But I will come after. What you ever ask me for, you know? Because I know something you want, me can give me this.
You know, say, me a scroll, me see say, the girl them do up their nails, and for me, them pop off, I know. Cause, you don't know them pop off. But come like the girl never do them properly, so them pop off. Me wonder if you could have give me money to do them. I give me money to do my toe, because boy, my toe, boy, want to do.
Come like me a profit, man. Come like me didn't know say something you want. Make her give me this. But anyways, really. You know say I'm full time now. If you go look at work.
But yeah, me man.
We've been to do this weeks now, on top of months. You're full time now if you go look at work. Me can't do this. We're in a relationship, yes, fine, I'm fine with that. But 50% in every relationship. Me fear do 50, you fear do 50. Me not fear do all.
That's true, but the night time being till me look at work, I must satisfy my needs.
How long me I satisfy your needs for? You don't think of that?
Yes, me think of it, but still, me not get a work yet.
See, only thing you ever do for me, from here, is make look at you and give me two little crackers. You know
see how wicked?
Me wicked?
When me there, so lie down, nights upon nights upon nights with you, all that work. What that say? Me let do something for you too.
What?
Me feel lie down with you.
That are nothing. You're supposed to feel lie down with me. I'm supposed to feel do it right and you supposed to feel do it right. 50-50%.
So me never tell us me not gonna look no work, you know, but till me not have no work now, you must can't help me. But so still.
Yeah, wait too long, man. Me been at it how long now?
So yeah, I say you're not doing my nails.
Alright, make this be first and the last. Now I'll do it, you know.
Oh.
Now I'll do it, but make it be first and the last. You need to look at work too. Me suppose if you can come and check you and you can do something for me too.
Oh, that's not true. But for now, we just are going to buckle it out.
Alright, so look how more me can make it. You're going to do it.
That's sure enough.
Alright.
Make a big.
And sister, you know, so we need to get more work there. You know, say that struggle, nothing leaving in our house with me.
She knows that me there, let me that think about. I just see me that's why. Me I wonder where we are going to find work from now, you know. I will need a job, because see there, rent to pay, light bill to pay, I want a bills.
Internet bill.
I want a bills to pay, and I know me not see the first dollar.
The mark out of internet bill and I get the phone for it takes one for it.
If you take a time for them cut off, because I don't have money, I don't have it. You take a time, you need to go look at work.
You can't look work too, you know?
Me not say no, me not look at work, but it's easy for me to get a work. You can go look at bar work. You need a work, you don't have none. For you left school, you don't even push out an effort to look at work or something. You just lay down big pan the bed.
So now you're a bigger one, sister.
That not say you're big too. Me one can I do everything. Me tired of now. Me been a go through it. From mommy pack up and go, me been a go through. Me been a for pay bills, wash, cook and clean for you. But you see you're hungry right now, make you come out of the house. You're hungry.
You hear me say, nothing in your house.
I just say you come out with something in there for eat that lay down in there never come out here. Because say, sister, me think we feel look work. You don't even tell me morning how you doing. You just come up brawling. Sister, we need to go look work.
Good morning, sister.
Yes, good morning. A time for you go look work, TT. It's high time for you go look work. You're too big and lazy. And everything me wanna go do. Me nah look no work. Right now me sick.
Remember yesterday me wash up your bloody jars them, you know?
Because me sick. Because I am sick. What is the problem with you when I talk about my bloody panty them? When me da wash, cook and clean and wipe your ass when you did younger, me da say me da complain. Please do not complain. Because you big now.
Sister, I go on the road. Maybe me get one work. We don't know. Okay. Make sure you work, you go find the road, go look on that man. You know, I'm not talking Jamaica man already. Okay, the thing we say. What about sister good morning?
Nah, no money in my pocket. What me I go do? God, God. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, good morning. What's up?
How
Where you doing from?
up here now go?
Oh, me never seen that area yet. Where you from?
I don't know. Where do you from? From the right side.
On that side, this
It's what the big one.
Oh, that's the right side of the shop.
Yeah.
So what you do so far then?
You know, so up here me I go do and see if me get one work card. Boy, me and my sister have it hard.
Your sister have yard. Don't worry about that, man. Yeah, you work way forward. What kind of problems does your sister have? If you don't mind me, I'm a big nose. I push up in your business.
Big for you.
So you know, tell me then. All right,
No, like that, you don't tell people in your business.
all right, no worry about that then. So for change that from people your business into their friend of business. So my name is David. What is your name?
Tiana. You
Tiana.
asked me my name 2 times now.
I'm just don't hear 2 times. Can you have such a beautiful name? So Tiana, you know how a number I could I get?
No, I'm not on a phone.
You have a phone?
I let me have phone and my Wi-Fi.
No. Do you know?
Mm-hmm.
So how I could I like see and talk to you then? If that's not a
But if
problem.
I didn't, may I go up the road or come down the road?
You travel up so often.
No, not leave here after.
That's not good. So
That is good.
well, yeah, that good saying I book up and bag of people, but still, like you know, on a phone and Wi-Fi, where you do for phone?
So that be why I work and to stop me though.
Honestly, I just see me see you, and say me like you, I'm gonna like to interact with you, and
No, man.
you know what I mean?
Man a bigger stress.
I know every one of them. Some of them I take off stress.
All man.
No man, some men are good men. Like for example, I'm in between. I'm not perfect, but I'm good enough.
We can better say 2 other girls pass us this one and same thing as to them, no?
You know what I'm saying? I 3 other girl actually, I'm not say nothing to none of them.
But you have it hard to tell me that.
No, but that 3 woman pass from money, me not chat to none of them. Are you?
No one a man do.
What make?
Like more man, you know why you.
Sorry. So why make no want a man? Not even want chat about me. Why make no want a man in general?
You turn up on the roadside, oh you go help me. You have a work?
Of course, me have a work. So I say just judge people off of their appearance. If you don't know, me could have me be a millionaire now. And just address down to that.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Millionaire drive. Them no look 3 different cabin.
Well, if I that I think. So you say you know, so me I can't talk then. Or
No.
none at all.
Not even tall.
Alright. But maybe I'm not give me some back your mind change.
Nothing at all.
Boy, Tiana, you play hard though. So not even friend we can be.
Come to think of it. You know, so we can be friends and think about not relationship. Because I don't want to have a relationship on my head right now. Yeah, so we can be friends. But if you can't find one work to give me, would that be good?
My work.
And then me consider give me number.
Then no simple setting that man that I stress from morning. You have me enough on down and a foot so me now I get to know you no not all.
Never run up and down and you still standing.
You know what I mean? Metaphorically. So what kind of skills you have? What kind of work you would want to do?
When you work, like I want work, Chinese work and then do.
No worry about that man. We make sound link and make you get sitting. Nice. Nice job. But I just hope me I go see you then.
Where you go see me?
Mm-hmm.
You know, some of my sister to company later.
Later on.
Yeah, in the evening.
Alright, tell her. Me time and come back at this spot. Might be next year.
Alright.
Alright, no worry about it man. Me pull some link for you.
Alright, David, so your name?
Daffy.
Alright.
Take care of yourself, yeah?
You too.
Alright, and if you smile more too. I hope I get cheap. I think I hope myself. White boy, them bang up, you know. Yo! Yo, what up, my brother? What are you doing? Forward now, man. Oh, long time we don't see you, dog. Let me show you, man. I see you change bad, my bro. Yo, how much is that? 50,000 billion. Oh, bottles. What are you doing? Yeah, man, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good, dog. Everything. My life I go on good, you know, because we don't have complaints. Still, brother. That me like here, because me now go on good and me a complain. It's a money me link upon. kid. I want woman and brother tell us say woman that boy you can go look how kill brother. Father boy you
can't do it with the woman when I look now up now, cause watch now.
yo now give me that. Now at this alone you have fun thing.
Bro,
That good.
what you mean if you could man, me appreciate it. Would I like 1,000 but for 5? You can't give me next 5 later on or when you have it.
You can't check me later
I
man.
don't have no problem with you. Just if you have a woman and you not work, your relationship can't work. Cause I alone go spend and she just want to look pretty and pretty sitting too. But yo, you buy one bun and cheese, pick up yourself, me dog.
Alright, yeah.
Oh, okay. So, you have money for give your brother, but me beg you, look at money. You just still go fix what my nails and fix what my toe you can't find if you give me.
You have money for give brother, where you get that from?
You feel me blind? You feel me that's when I take out the 5 bills and give? Or 5 grand.
So, me can't give my brother 5 bills or 5 grand.
I'm a beg you, look at money just to do me tour.
So, me never tell her say me I go do it. Me never tell her.
But I didn't know I right no more the money.
One
So
time-
me can't believe say I put your brother over me.
You one time I see my brother come check me and me give him something. You go complain. Look how long me been a do it for you.
I don't complain.
Where you want me
But
to-
me ask her for something, you have to give me first before you give your
You
brother.
want me to put you over my family?
Yes.
How? Where you get that
Because of me
from?
and you lie down one night time, I don't understand. You and your brother they do things? No me they do things.
Listen, my brother come first.
You can't breathe your brother?
When you run off gun, who me ever have?
When me go. And you go when me run off and you're not satisfy me needs. You go when me run off.
Me tell her say tomorrow make you go do it.
Here again.
Tomorrow.
You say later now you tell me tomorrow.
Tomorrow, cause me have something else to deal with. Look, mom, just remember.
Me can't even say put your brother over me. But don't worry yourself. Sorry, they are coming with you.
So where I go?
Kayla! Kayla!
Oi, back up from me, back up.
How are you? Yeah, girl.
Come
Come
here,
here.
come call me in my yard.
I want somebody alone phone call and me. Girl, me say, the man that me have over me yard. He just like he does not satisfy my needs. Me can't bother with him. Me feel like me will get left him and get another man. You don't know, so the boy buy me wig, he pay for installing, do my finger. But my fingernail ain't pop off.
Then ain't do good.
It looks so. I know they want a refill, right? And the boy don't want to give me money for a refill. He might give him brother money if you go buy something to eat. And you know what long me beg him a little money? And me told, look on me told them.
They really want to fit through in a real life. But anyways, but you don't say so like you're ungrateful.
Girl, it's not ungrateful.
This is what the man pay for do your hair. The man buy your wig and pay for install. Look for my head. I don't have a man. I don't have a wig for my head. I don't have nothing. And I saw me have my natural hair.
Yeah, that will tell me something if you go look work.
But a good something that me can't go look work and me plan to look at work. I said to me tell my sister this morning so she need at work.
Me tell the truth, Kayla. Me have friend. Nothing wrong if me go look at work, you know. But just right now, me not work now, so you must help me out until I start work. Me can't do it myself. You understand me?
No man really.
Because when him a ram out on the sun night time, me have to satisfy, me have to bite me lip. Eh?
But then you want to bite your lip. See you get your hair done. I feel a wig. How can I wig this?
Girl, this is a human. Human hair. For that synthetic.
Girl, I don't know because I don't own a wig. You don't see that?
Too bad.
Well, as me I say no really.
You
can't really pressure the man because you don't know when I'm pocket. And you not give him no money. The only thing you give him is look up front. And that don't say you must take care of everything what you want. Get up and go look at work. He install a wig, thank God.
Yes, me
He
thank
buy,
God.
thank God. How much you want wig?
Girl, I must say 14,000 pay for this I wanna.
Okay, you have 14,000 can give him? You buy him nothing?
Me tell him say me go start.
You start cook for the man as yet?
Girl, you make him some crackers and tea at the morning. Me can't cook.
Really? Crackers and tea is nothing.
At least he get something.
You see, you give the man crackers and tea, and I man I give you big things. No, him wash, are you wash? He wash, cook and clean for your Riri. I say ungrateful. I thought boy,
It's not ungrateful.
It is what?
Me, I give him something when I must can't give me what me want.
And what you want? Money?
Yeah.
Riri, you not give money, you not give him nothing. You don't even do nothing for the man. I don't if you wash him and clothes them as yet.
No, me not start that yet. Girl, me have our nails. We can't wash for it.
You don't even can cook, Riri. We are do.
Girl.
You know, if you thank God to have that man, like if it is some man that dash out your ass out the door already, you know. Some man that put you out the door.
Him can't put me out.
Why can't put it Riri? You
Yes.
got?
And me run that over there, so. Come like something there. And me run that. He can't put me out.
Move out of my way. Move out of my way. Move out of my way. Me and your friend, but you know no sense. Me tell you that you know no sense. You have a good man. Stop as a woman and go look work. Go get a work.
Me did tell you, say me not gonna get no work. Me
You
just
take
say,
too long to get the work. Go look at work. You there pressure the man, but you want nails to do. Your nails do already. Thank God say me pay for do them. How much of them the nails there?
girl, nah, girl, you need to pay
Here
for
there,
them.
$9,000 and them pop off already. Who about run the nail take for your money? You come and pressure the man.
Me can't know me. Yeah.
You better you go out your yard. You don't serve a purpose. You come here and come disturb my brain for. Yeah, man, I give you money and I complain. I know me broke. You get one?
You say you can come in and yard peacefully. No, me not get no work. But me see one gentleman
What
and
I
he
say?
me see one gentleman and he say he might me want work.
Oh. Mr. Gray, if he just come look a bit quicker. He just see the one Riri over here.
I do what?
Come over here, come and complain. Say a man don't want refill her nails and don't want buy her clothes to go party. And one bag of something. One bag of something she come over here and talk about her man. And say a man take money, give him brother.
So what you say?
Me say every time grateful for the man. Cause she not work, she
Yeah.
not give the man nothing. She don't even cook give the man.
Mama, you have to be careful of the friends in where you keep.
Nothing wrong with Riri.
But you can't judge them sometimes because sometimes my man they my problem. They want woman and can't give woman things.
No man, me not think Riri man mean. Riri say the man buy wig, the man pay for install it, the man pay for your nails, and the man buy her clothes and provide for her, right? But this morning she said she want to do her toes and she want to refill her nails because them a pop off. So she want to do them back over. The man saying don't have no money. Then the man brother come after and get money from the man. So Riri start cause that man come here to come vent. So I said to her, I say she did not put money in the man pocket. She now wash, cook, nor clean for the man. But yet still she want the man to spend money on her. And I say that not right. That's unfair. You don't think it's unfair?
Unfair, but
Yes.
they never say a better thing.
Yes, cause me I tell her, I say, look for she did a human hair wig. Look for my dry. I don't have no wig for mine. I don't even own a wig. I cannot even afford a wig, and she I get wig from man. She supposed to be grateful. And she not grateful.
Ungrateful.
You never know that. You never hear me I tell a girl.
Yeah.
You never hear me I tell her.
So me not tell her say girl
You
ungrateful.
know what? Me no know talking with you. Me I come go in.
Go on
Cause me
in.
can't be saying you go on the road and don't get no work.
A bridge me I go next.
You better you do that. Cause I'm hungry.
When money want my man give there.
I mean, what money where your man give me?
The money we just gonna collect from over my man yard. Why they give me it?
Give it for what? You never give you, and I mean give.
You see, because of you, me can't get my nails to fill back. Me can't get my toe to do, because you come over me yard and come borrow money every day. You can't go look at work.
You know what you said to me, you should say it to yourself. You can't go look on work, your head want do. And you can't look on work for the head, you depend on your man. Furthermore, I $5 a man give me. So me don't know what
Give
kind
me
of
5 bills. I mean, no one 5 bills in here. More than 5 bills in here. And give me.
Furthermore, my money is to do my business. You never forget my brother woman. If you want money, what make you not go ask my brother?
We can't ask him, we can come over there and collect you one.
Yeah, I can't 5 bills and all like money you have. If a 5 bills alone you have in your name, your man workless and you workless because you can't help out your man if a 5 bills you have.
Are you come borrow it? How if he help you? How if he help me? You come borrow it, so how if he help me? Are you they broke him down, you know? You they broke him down to nothing because you come borrow every dollar what you have. And he might take you like an idiot.
5 bills cannot be the only money you have. And me not borrow money from him every day. And furthermore, any money me borrow from him, you get it back.
And 5 bills no more.
ASAP.
So you don't give me back yet.
Because me in a business and my money is to do my business. Like, I feel like you want to look across this thing. I not even feel like more there chat up to you. Go and go take money from your man or something. Or walk and find
Me a
money.
pass it. Alright. No worry your damn self. Long run, short cut, I shall buck you. Oh God. You gonna ask us something?
No problem.
You better give back your 5,000.
Who tell us a 5,000 me give my brother?
Let me see.
A 5 bills me give my brother. 5 bills.
You say. So you get back yet?
Why they worry about that for?
Cause you give brother money, so you remember say they are give me money
But
today.
me never lend him and give my brother money. What is 5 bills to take up and look for my brother and give him?
$5,000. You did say you give me money today.
A full time now if you go look at work, I don't have it.
Me did tell you say me not gonna look no work, me that's not ready yet.
Well, me I try to explain to you I don't have it.
So me get tell when me yesterday you tell me today, I know today I tell me different monkey story.
Not understand you know.
You see, you think you want your money give your brother, eh? You give your brother $5,000 and me beg you, look at money. I did 10 grand fill back my nails, you know, and do me 2 you know. No, me gonna double it. More $20,000. No man shop give me 32.
Oh, so a boss say the boss me up.
And the boss me to boss up. Me I tell you what me want.
You tell me what you want.
Yes.
Suppose me not have it. What me I gonna do?
So how you give your brother 5 grand?
Call me brother. I may have it and he
But
come
me
say,
want.
look how long me been
I
a get
have
things.
it.
Me been a get things.
But yesterday,
months
and
now.
you promised me. So make you promise me then for.
You have to wait till me have it. And a full time now if you go look at work.
Me did tell you, so me not look at work, me that's not ready yet.
Well, me don't know how you gonna work out. You have to do what's best for you. Cause me not gonna have it every time you can take up.
But yesterday you tell me, say today. No, me can't tell me monkey story. You know, say unfair.
Unfair with what?
Because me can never tell me from yesterday, say, behave you know, so me not really have no money, me give my brother a loss. Maybe me could have see by you and understand. But you dey tell me lie. You dey tell me, say, today I know, me today come here and tell me a different story.
Me do 99% for you, and one time you can do 1%, if you make it 100%. You go have up. You go go on, so.
How me have one?
And one time I do something for my brother, you know. Things forget me.
I have been a things for you. Every minute you come and you just broke down your pocket. So that's saying I have no money to give me. Cause you might broke you down. You might broke you down, man.
More ask you a question.
Wow.
As a matter of fact, you look about nothing for a morning, give me. You dey ask me for money.
I understand.
Alright, you look about lunch, give me.
Me last sleep.
So what about now?
Hmm?
What about now?
I don't get no money.
Oh, so me have to give you money first before me can get something to eat.
Right.
And then I give something, then I look for you and I give money how much thousands.
My business. When they walk up night time, me have to say, this time now. When they walk here.
Oh, so if you don't feed me, how me go work at night time?
Oh.
Things that you can't
Me
cook.
can't cook, you know.
You can't cook. Your business that if you can't cook. Not my business.
What's the matter, fuck? Bye.
Where they go?
Me gonna look something me know, what me need. I'll be able to get that this morning.
Well, go on. We will soon know.
Oh boy.
How are you going?
Me I go on the road and come back.
How work you go?
No, me have to say me I go to work.
So where you know that I go?
Me gonna link my friend Riri on the road. That me tell her say me I go do.
That same friend Riri there.
Yes, so me I go pan go link her and forward back. Alright?
Me hungry. Stop me at the house to eat. But I go and have a look work here. I go link friend. Friend have things, you know.
I'm gonna ask you a
Then you
question.
met him with there. Friend man give money for the earrings to every Jesus thing. You have money?
No, me not the money that time me I go on the road.
So if you go on the road to Riri, how you gonna get a work?
Me did tell us that me need a work. Are you hungry? Why you don't go look at work? You tell me, say me if you go look work.
So
You're
what
big
you
enough. Go and go look at work. Me they go on the road. Me go link my friend Riri. Riri have money. Me go link she.
Riri shall put you in a batty hole. Where we are go?
Can you just get up every morning? You come out and come they warm up black.
When you
When
come
I go on the road, go
back,
look
when you
back
come back, hello, you bigger one. When you come back, you can't climb bed for you. You say make a climbing.
Hello, me not climb the bed for you.
So see there, young breadfruit rose, yeah.
You go on
Carry
go
some
look
food
about
when
it.
you come back.
Me not care about no hood when me a come
And
back.
thief piece of salt market for
Me not
Riri.
thieving nothing. Go on the road, go look at work that you better do. Me not have
See,
time for all of this.
I rich man, one then the see. I left you. Left you in a pop.
If you want left me in poverty, you left me in poverty. I
Why
don't
no?
business.
Why
You come
no?
and tap me and argue with me in the morning, yeah.
Hello, Protein Brown, how are you heading to?
Down the road.
Oh, you look so nice.
Thank you.
You smell so bright. You have to go show me again. So,
Show you what?
your pretty teeth done. So what's your name?
My name is Kayla. What's yours?
My name is David. Where are you heading to, Kayla?
As I said before, I'm going to the road, go link on my friend them. How are you, sir?
Boy, Kayla, you know, so me just, if you tell you the truth, me just love how your brown and black match up your black and grey crooks. Your style just bad. Your style hot.
Kayla,
God, no.
Thank you. Yeah?
you want the money now?
Yes.
Oh, you have to come on here. I never walk with you. I never expect some now see.
Oh, come and think of the
I
other
want to know, I
nails.
want to know where this one is from.
You just see me and tap me and look me.
No. And my brother-in-law, him broke. I broke his thing and him ever they come borrow me my man money.
Girl, who broke? Watch it from you, man. Are you not no money? You make your brother not no money. You think you can style me? I ain't not no money. Girl, look how your finger and your pop off. Why you try to style me?
Because you know why me can't do it back because you can't take you all that money when my man forgive me.
Your man is not your man is not
And
your
him me come
father.
and complain to you about. Him,
But
that
your
broke
man,
one here.
but your man and your father. You can't get a work for yourself. Right now,
You can't get a work for yourself. You're not working. You're not
Me
working.
not working
You-
for you, see?
You're not work. If you did a work, you would have come borrow money.
So how you not?
Working people not borrow money.
So-
See, to me not work, me have to beg and borrow.
So you feel good for that?
Me not feel good enough. But me have to do it until me can get a work.
Me not telling you that. Right now, you just come like, I'm
And-
telling you,
and
right
you
now,
me a-
you
and
come
you
like,
me a
hold
bu-
on to my brother. Me I tell you the truth. Pretty lady, me so sorry so you have a similar like this. But me not really want to deal with she, cause she, first thing she broke. And she had to size up with me. Me not say me rich, you know. But me not depend on nobody, cause my thing mad, you know. Me I tell you the
You
truth.
think not mad at all. You think little bit.
Girl, what's the story for man?
Jesus. Girl. You see you? That's why me not like you. Come back over me and you
Oi, oi.
stand some water back.
Girl, come. So, girl, I see you deal with your brother-in-law.
Girl, me tell you, say, you want to stay in deal with me down the road yesterday. Me have to angle him back. Me can go.
You
Come,
what?
What?
If you come very come shame the boy, it doesn't me don't
I
talk.
don't care. You know what the money?
The boy think you go and use money and bribe me.
Me not bribe you.
Me just say we swear do right so while ago it is wrong. Because him a borrow money from a man and me say if he can't take it cause him tell him pan road because I know your money neither.
I true, but sometimes you have to tell them their mind. Because I said we ain't do me down here. My ears.
What do you? The man looking at it?
No,
Mama,
girl.
wait.
What happened?
This papi show.
Me bumbo killer. Give me this fucking phone.
Your battery low.
My ears.
Oh, your man looking at it?
No, girl, it come like it's infected or something. I have to take out the earring out this
Ah.
morning.
Start the money now. I want the money.
Girl, you know, say, me not get the money. But me never want, my brother-in-law, you know, say me not get the money. When me wake up this morning and ask him for your money, he say not happy.
So, really, that's why this up to my papa. No, this up papa for years and so.
Come on in.
Oh, Jesus. Say, man, not get the money none time.
No.
Alright.
If you go look at word, that's why I come on the road, come look what I have.
What do you mean by that?
Hmm?
What do you mean by that?
Hey, you say me see one rich white man now, me gone and left that idiot there.
Ray, guess that Ray, the man did it with you all along. Can't even because of that.
Why?
Because them love you, that's why keep up with your foolishness. But anyways, come on, we'll go on the road.
That's not true still.
Mm-hmm.
Jimmy! What about my brother?
Yo, come on out.
So, how on?
I mean, I think I link you and that, but bro, you know what I'm saying? I'm on the road and normal. I be pay by myself. But first thing, I don't say a woman yesterday. He can't walk me down. Give me money what you big girl. Give me money what you big girl. Me I say what kind of style that? To be not give me no money. I borrow money from him. Furthermore, the money where even if they give me the money where you give me, you never give she. So you come on a lot of people, So I just walk in front of him. To them now, me sit down and now I'm up on the road. Me see one slimmers, nice and thing. So me did a chat to him normal. Me did a chat to him. He can be a good vibes kind of thing. Then can't go back in my mouth. From me a chat to him. So obviously me I do good. Me just say, this. Girl, where you know this boy you from? Say boy now the money. Every minute come and beg out my brother money, son. Me I say, girl, watch it for you. Who I beg out your brother money? Who want a few times you lend me 5 bills and I say, where you know this boy you from? This boy now no money. No chat to them a boy. Every minute he come over here and I beg out my man money. First thing, I beg you, my bro. If me do beg you, I know you know me not have it. I borrow and I swear to God. God has my witness right here, so every dollar I give you back. You no business about that. You see, boy, your woman come and try to style me in a crowd say because me I borrow your money. She can't get no hair, she can't get no lashes, she can't get no nails, she even can't name. So he come like in company road for style me and in company road for style you. I say you cannot provide for her because me I take out your money.
So you know this hard.
Bro, I come for this woman dog. I walk in front of him. I beg still no. I beg, I not tell her no lie dog. But bro, you need to control the woman, my dog. I not tell her no lie dog.
Right now, she come in here, I go use something for you. I go
Bro,
use something.
as a brother,
Broke her up, you see.
hurt me dog.
So, they really come and complain to me, man, like a man bitch.
Yo, where are this brother I road from?
Me not this, I told me, I tell him I road. I'm telling him I this me.
My brother now see you a road and this. Me
No,
know my brother.
You know what? Where you come and complain to my man for?
When you come and complain for? When you see
You
me,
chat too much, man.
You see me a road and all over my mouth for like me know me in a business you come and ask me for money.
You know, when me kill it, hold him an argument with your brother.
And my brother come and hold him an argument, you know. And my brother come and explain, say I try this in my road.
I diss him.
I want you to behave yourself. You can't go up on the road and I try this, my brother. How you go up on the road and I do them something there?
I not diss me, I diss him.
You move like you're some animal or something.
You're an animal. You know, say if I never you, this would happen.
girl.
If I never you, this would happen. This would happen.
You
You.
have your hand a pint up in my brother. You know, say another man as you could go.
Nah, it too hot to other man. If I never give you, would happen.
No, control the woman, you know.
Yo, come on, go on. Yo, that girl I tell us that girl I'm mad sometime, you know, bro.
I get off one, eat that for that. Tell her, man.
Yo, come on, man.
Alright. Oh no, worry about yourself. You have to come back here.
Yo, so. Bro, me I tell you something, yo, I'm sorry about that, bro, cause sometimes that girl head mad da. Me don't know what do that girl da make him the see upon road. How him feel see upon road and this, bro?
Bro, you know, so if I see me with a bad, you know, and not even so bad. He coming like a walk me down as my left yard, dog. Can't not even 2 minutes off my left yard in forward, you know. Bro, but, dog, in a real life, man, I'm grown, you know. Yeah, my blood brother, my reach to the ground, and to his sky, and to his grave, and back, dog. I don't feel like that girl is good for you, bro. I feel like that girl is hold on. In a real life, dog.
Yeah, you know, say a full time one left for do, bro, but me no other choice, me no option,
bro. What you mean you no option? Choose yourself, dog. Not choose somebody where you hold down. Right now, I know you can't save no money. If, bro, in a real life, I cheat on my head not do. And me can't hold out. Me know see you can't hold out too. But your woman, he come like, when he come like not even cheat with your head between. And me know say my cuss and go along your most way, dog. You need woman that can't hold out. Me dog, you ever cook for you?
One time he make look for tea and give me one pack of biscuit. For me, and I break past that. I never food that.
And most for your birthday, I can't know other day, bro. Me not grow on that. The girl, me not like when I cheat. I'm not even drop your street curry to road, dog. Cause between me and your dog, if I need a lyric man and your dog, when I point up your hand in my face and the dog, me I feel no intimidated and feel angry in myself and the dog. I'm saying, no, violate my brother and you, man. Never, dog.
Girl, you a mad girl, brother. It come like in head go and come sometime, you know. Bro, me can understand how I left her, bro, but you know, no other woman when me coulda. If me left her, I want to jump in another spot where me can go in a different relationship set speed.
I understand that, you know, dog, but here I go on, you know. Some of the time, dog, all if you're not a woman, all you have to do, dog. Some of the time, dog, you better not a woman. Don't have a woman who hold along in her life. Me I tell her, bro, I go through it already, me can talk from experience, dog. I years me still in a relationship with me happy about. It kind of freak me up in the last parts. Everybody are telling me truth, but what? Yeah, they lock come, I don't want to see the truth.
Now months that I've been go through this a mad girl over here, brother. Like when I'm sick one you don't even know you.
So what you gonna do?
Brother, you're supposed to advise me, you know, and make me know what to do, you know, because remember me a blood brother, you know.
Tell her what to do already, you know, dog. So if me the roles were reversed, and me did I you, I left the girl a long time. From the girl, they asked me for sitting. And he start load up him up because I can't give him out through the door, kick him through the window. Anyone you have to go, dog. But here I go on. Me no want to decide for rule your life. So take my advice. Me would have left her, but your life just the same, dog. So if you feel like you can hold out and bear your struggles, you have to just bear
So I
them.
heard, man, bro. Me go replace her soon, man. Remember me did tell her that.
Yeah, joke, man. But do you think still?
Ah, me I go over me heart.
Ooh. Yep. How that bad, bro? What you doing?
So me there, man.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? Tell me and tell us something, pick up a farm piece of farm. What do you let me 5 years? You know?
What you say?
My bar back for 5 what I did. So just take that 1,000 and I left 1,000 money as interest.
True, man.
So I did, I'll wait for you one day.
No, I said, me don't know what she did. Like, she up on the road, but that's not my problem, that. No business with that.
One, tell you know that. But tell her what to do with she already still not that, but we don't have to chat all the way, man. You good though?
Yeah, man.
You sure?
Yeah, man.
Then yeah.
Oh, God, man, bro. Me must know.
Alright, my dog. Yo. You can't get crashes in the mouth. You know what to do. You know how to push it still. So big up yourself, man. Drop back on the road, doesn't it?
Alright,
Ah.
take care of yourself.
You told me that. Watch out. How we are doing that bed?
Huh?
How we are doing that bed?
No question my business.
So you all go
I
on.
hear everything.
I don't really have not much now, but what I'm planning, sir.
Do that. $50.
Damn man, can't face the what you have to do with that. You know
You know what if I can know?
You know how much people want $50 right now and can't get it?
What if you do it $50?
I'm lucky I get $50. Come on here,
Where interest money then?
Which interest?
The money right here for interest.
Oh, and that's what I worry about. That you they worry. Me not have no money for you.
TV, give me the money now.
Me give $50 and you fling it back for me. You know how much money would I want this right now to buy something to eat?
TV, give me the money.
You know, so me I go left though, me I go left you though.
You can't left me, that's me a mad girl.
Me I go left, yo. Don't go pan there, because I know when we forget
TV,
money.
give me the money.
When we get money from figure. See all them and something now.
One on the
I
road
want to
now.
pick in my life. Pick up mad girl in my
Right.
life, yo.
I'll be there now. Oh boy. I'm tired.
So she said, "You can't back one food. I'm not feeling good."
How do you make you lie down?
Yeah.
Oh man, too bad. We can't do nothing about that.
So you couldn't be back one food.
Busy?
One food. FOOD. You couldn't take it out.
Nope. See, you tell me, say, busy. Me if you go up on the road. Kebab food can come give you.
Me not feel good. The family would do it feel though.
What? Hello? You better, we never go up on the road and get something to eat.
Why you never go on the road for yourself?
You know, you're good enough from what you're feeling, and now you're good. You hear me say, me don't feel good.
So what me can do about that? And my family cannot eat and you feel good?
I feel fat, me not eat. Nothing in the house for eat.
Me just if you get up and look at work, you not get up and look no work, you lay down in a bed. Let me know if you do about that. Me just come from the road. All the fan want fix.
So what you eat?
Me buy one burger up on the road and eat.
So John Crow, you couldn't care, please come give me.
No crab yet. You couldn't share.
So wicked.
Me not busy way want say me wicked, you're too lazy.
Me too lazy.
Yes, you couldn't get up and go there, me just if you go look work. The one time you go on the road, and you say one man say they have one work I give you. Up till now, me can't see you go back for that work there. You come here, you lead one, then tell me about your hunger. What you do about that? What me can do about you and your hungriness?
Mama, not come in there, but I chat with me. Most of you come in there, feel good, go on, yeah.
It is big and lazy. You know, me come up here because I don't have time for all of this. I don't have time for all of this. You waste my time right now. Because I saw we are going, you're not hungry. You're not hungry again. You're not up, man.
Hello.
Hello.
What's up?
Listen, I'm here.
Good.
You're good?
What person I see, you know? About the place I wanna live?
Yeah, we live just around there, sir.
Okay.
Like you have, what a big word they be?
Back off. Wait.
No, maybe
So
use a
when
smaller word. Oh, you feel live done, so that's where you come from, idiot.
Mama, no run auntie where you come from.
Mama, where you come from, we yard, stupid.
Anyways.
So I'll make you my deal with that, so you what?
Oh, that's a
Okay, so that's right. I'm
Oh,
Bellevue sister.
Oh, me see it, man.
Yes. So what's your name?
Name Tilly.
You have a girlfriend?
Girlfriend.
You can't tell
Yeah,
me
me have a girlfriend, but we're about to left anytime soon.
What make?
Girl head too mad. You
What's she
can't
name?
take her. She name Riri.
Riri.
Riri?
Yes, Riri. She said,
Describe the Riri, let me see from my friend Riri. Yeah, talk.
She black, she have slim body. She kinda
And she have one, what we say now,
Blonde wig.
one blonde wig.
Yeah.
So then now my friend.
Your friend, we know
And
Riri
Riri, I'm
from.
a friend for a longer time. Me tell you this now, you can't talk to him. You can't bother talk to him. Look, too much mileage depend that the paper, the two over so.
No.
The first thing you should have
no.
hear all of my is when he say about woman. Because with woman now, so you don't have good woman a yard. When you come around and look at this a girl, scabby girl. Not tell me I call her scabby, no. When I call scabby, I show my example. You don't know if you want to have a woman yet. How long are you there?
About few months.
Here the few months, continue the relationship, come on. You broke like a dog, I want to pick up broke man. You say you don't hear Riri a complain saying nah mine her. You don't hear Riri a complain.
Riri a tell for him.
He maga like and tough like a rock. Me come back and look people for
Well,
one
go on.
side. Why? Why me can't? Come me slippers. Jesus Christ. Me forgot my one. What one girl? What? You good? How you get money from a flash?
Oh, she.
It's Riri, you blind?
Oh, has she ever talk about?
Oh. How would this my sister? You want no man no go look no walk? Oh. How you get money from? From a man.
Yeah, tell people say me no want to look no walk.
Not
And
your
she
time.
tell.
See this on it? At this y'all want a pum pum work? Girl, under the bed me did there. See there, your pum pum don't even work. No, okay, if you never had on it the bed, yo don't see say hand money for you. Girl, I not that. I true in a really hot you know, in a really have no money. But think at least me have one man when they give me money and I have a man when they give you.
Mama.
Me no need a man to give me money. Me have a man to give me money. Mama, say me I talk to me
She not
friend.
short.
You come out time.
She not short.
As me I say now. At least me have one man when they give me something. Thank God. If me didn't have a man, he couldn't look for me and give me 2,050. That's saying I have no man because it's better when me not have none. Because you're too greedy. Look up on your slippers. Your man can't buy one brand new slippers, Riri. Me and your friend, but your man fall off a truck. Just up in a yard and when me go, me look like a you. You wear your goatee clothes in a yard.
You make a girl this, your sister?
Shut up. When you argue with her, you talk about me and my friends. And when you see me in front of that, don't come in it. Back out. Let's go look at work. Your sister tell me less about you. Go look at work. You didn't tell my sister busy if you come power with contract, girl.
She tell me a lot about
Oh,
you.
nah, chat your sister. What?
She tell me a
What?
what boy you
I
boy.
say you carry my
Well,
business,
I depend
girl.
on man for do nail, ear, and all sort of things. So what kind of two more things you
Say you the walk and tell your sister my business. Me and your friend here tell your sister my business. You chat too much. You chat too much.
Come here.
You chat too
Come
much.
here. Come here now. Come up here, sir.
Say
You know your sister.
Forward. Forward up, sir. Here. Yeah, tell me them really look fine. You tell the girl business. And you come from the roadside a chatty. You come from the roadside chatty. Go up, sir.
my business.
Go up, sir. Go up, sir. You come from the road. And you next one to dirty yard. Go up in the yard, yeah. Go up. Move, man. You come from the roadside.
Me know friends when me see them. Daddy, I want to say something to you.
What is that?
You see the long girl when me see my friend? You see by there with her? Yeah. She pass out good enough. As me did I say no. You see the long girl? You know if me don't know if I know her what she name. She name Kayla. You see if you ever there with her, me go tell my man to give you money. I can't come back over me and come borrow no more money. You don't know say girl see me up the road and this me. Nobody there with her.
Allah, yeah, tell this, yo.
Mm-hmm.
Me sorry, me never did for record it. But me tell you this, first thing, you said something, you said me can't come back over for your yard. No, for your yard. Catch in my brother yard for the time being. Furthermore, me not saw my brother sitting in you. Matter of fact, me even can't see you the way you maga. But, me in a no business and you want to come tag me up a roadside.
Me not dog you, me
No,
tell you something.
you're not dog me up. No, but that you want to do. Because you say me a chat to you girl and true, you see, me down in her ears and him a smile off in teeth them. You say, no, that enough you happy. That enough you get nothing out of life.
Me never said that.
No, that you say. So here we go on now. You go on and waste them. Still come over my brother yard, not your yard, not your man yard.
Me don't talk, me have to talk to you. If I don't want to figure, me don't tell you what me go do.
Mama, you know how them powers. The first thing you just want to look come around. You just want to come around. Me don't know how my brother settle down with you, but you know last for long. Cause you treat him like a dog and you treat
if
me.
Me come around, what you are?
Hey, brother.
No, you swim around. Cause you all come around when you want things. So you just come on, you come swim and gone. You swim around and me come around.
Mama, you're not even do good. You wear two different foot slippers. You're not no right for your try and style me.
Me not style you. Are you first?
You're born this away.
You know, say thank you when I say me like you.
Me never like you. Me still not like you.
Cause you love this me. Me tell you one thing and you dey go around the thing. You say me see with your girl, you go see what me do. Every see you with that girl, you go see. You
love me out no man.
Come on,
you can't roll my brother like.
Come on,
roll for me, you can't roll my brother.
Come make it come on as go on. But me buck him with that little dry head long maga teeth there. Oh God.
What? Food, baby.
Which food?
Some no.
An empty box.
Almost sure girl.
An empty box.
Let me see what I go on in there.
Come in there, me walk on there, me come in determined to me now give you none. See there.
What a girl wicked man.
Wicked with.
Me there for a man and I eat nothing.
You don't eat nothing?
And you tell me say you buy a medium food, really. And you couldn't have something for me?
Babes, we never know say you never eat.
Don't worry, head man. Me so replace you.
No girl.
No girl, me soon replace you.
You alright, no girl can replace me. So, when me can never make something eat, me think I eat. That's why me eat the food, because I think I eat.
Alright, head. Just know say one day I was sorry. Me I come go up and we go look something eat. One day, you know, you was sorry.
Alright, carry back one juice to me.
Go for carry back. You carry back none of your food for me.
Me need hungry and you're there, you're from mine, me I think you eat. You don't say I'm wicked. Me think you eat and you cost me. Alright, this food.
Sister. See, that's the put it man. If you take it, make it hammer.
You take your toilet,
You could have put it back to me, man. Anyways, you go up and you know. You're gonna make me man.
Fine man.
Probably with top they feel hungry and maybe come out of poverty. Me not sure up yet.
A rich man?
You know that rich, but he ain't got a little bit of money. He got money. At least we
have
have
money.
You know when people rich and they still have money and then have to work, eat have to work,
I
when
have
you're
money
rich.
that I'm saying the idea boss.
Yeah, you have to have sense.
Oh.
And let me start to them apologize about what happened the other day because sometimes me and I come from farm and I make say, no man, me and I catch up. But as me I say, me I go on the road. I don't know if what the man I say is true, but he must say like he have a money can help me, but you know sure as yet. So if you get the money, you know say we well set to come out of this house here, we just step up in our life and we don't worry about nothing at all. Cause he got the money. You know but because you need to find a white man. And hear me mom, I will not want him and he text every day and say, you love me, you say yes, I love you, baby, I will not love him. He say yes, you do anything when you want him, mom. Find somebody. Find somebody to use. We cannot suffer. We don't want to work, we can't work for that. We have to do it easily. We look easily out. Like the canny man, you have to find something to do. It's out there, you can them, you're going to make them take you for idiot. Which one you prefer? Right, so just have yourself, take some picture, go pan the road and put yourself on the social media, make them see and text and come in inbox. And then come in your inbox. When they talk to you, so we just so sad. Don't run them, so sad. Understand? But I say, no, I'm going to go my boo, my wonderful black child. No, your mom, you alone, you want nobody else. Yes, I girl.
So you see I go on now.
Me tell you, I must say you come, when you say we are going to do, we are going to do, we are going to start a thing or we not starting it.
Yeah, of course. That's the main reason why I call you, because you know something like you. I'm
like it too.
So that means I have to deal then.
Yes. Put my number in your phone.
Long time I should have told me something. Man. Oh God. It's come like I want dream come true.
Yeah.
Me and you. Oh
Yes.
God. Alright.
Say alright anyways.
Of course me alright. We did alright before, but now I'm wonderful. I'm great.
Say no man.
I have you.
Oh, come she say nobody out there because sometimes no man no come and look girl pick you no son up as a woman. I ain't follow another line because conflict and problem when they find out about them one that. And me not have time for that.
No man.
I'm too young for that.
Would I never put her through that. I don't know
Make
about
sure.
that. I want one
Moderation, all kind of relation. I just gonna pick up.
Well, stop calling this. His name is Davi. What's the problem?
This gonna pick up.
What wrong with him?
Girl, you could pick up a better man. You gonna pick up him.
You come and pick up one better hairstyle or two good foot slippers. You come pick up your dirty self and come on the road. Yo, me no.
All the smiley dirty right now, that is you. Me not talk to you and pick it up on your head. Me I talk to my friend, me I talk to you.
Hey, why you just left me and Davi relationship alone?
So girl, I
You
come
can't
like
come
So
out
now
of
a relationship.
Hold on, watch out.
Yes.
Me get uncle. Me soon come back here.
Yeah.
You come like some old long man. Me can't wait for my brother
I
left.
hold on. Crosses.
Hush. We have problem.
What do you mean by relationship?
Yeah, idiot. Y'all, me tell you, you're bad mind enough. You're bad mind. You're bad mind. Me tell you to warn you, you're too bad mind.
Hey, girl.
Me and your friend. Me and your friend, and me have one man, you don't happy for me.
What are you for?
What wrong with the man?
Me tell you something, pick up one better man who can take care of you, take care of your son, and pick up that there.
He can't more than take care of me.
He can't take care of you.
Is it the best thing you do?
Best thing you do,
Avoid me.
Go on.
Avoid me, no girl.
Go on.
You better avoid me, no Riri. Is this a friendship, yeah?
It's
It's a
done.
friendship, yeah, done.
It's done. It's been done.
Bad man, little
Oh,
girl.
the bad man. Bad man is a what for a broke man.
Yes. He don't broke in our work, in working.
Working
You don't have
where?
your man over here, yeah.
Nine.
Remember say your man not give you money, you know.
85.
Remember say your man not give you
Give
money.
me something.
Why am I you think you're hood? You come up and argue with me for a road. Girl, if you ever lick me with you, girl, I bust it out here, girl. Is this a friendship, yeah?
He done. Go on.
He done for true.
Yeah, come on.
Call her, that's your man too. Girl. I argue with the road.
Okay. Yeah, something.
Yeah, man, you're good.
Oh, yeah, me alright. You alright?
Me great.
Oh, you eat already?
You can ask that. Me no must eat.
Me say, me have something to tell you.
What?
You know, say my long, mother, dirty friend. Me and I just have it out on road there.
Well, feel no business that. One thing me dey amidst right now is me glad me did lend my brother money.
Okay.
Right now my brother rich.
Hmm?
And me glad I never know $1,000. Me did lend him. I don't know $1,000 rich offer. Millions. My brother been going up. Right now money gone collect. So me glad me did lend him. You see it? If me never did lend him, no, we gonna give him right.
So my rain I go far with me. Want to go on the road go get some before the rain come back now. So I'm so okay.
You ever go on the road?
The baby soap na did. I go buy baby soap and come
Alright, do
back.
that.
Yeah, worm.
Eh?
Yeah, worm.
No, you don't like me.
I'm feel like you and brother woman.
No, me left him. You don't have no money, you broke.
Me not have no money neither. Me broke.
No, you're not broke. You're up there.
Mama afraid I'm where you mean my brother broke?
I see my body being.
What tell you? You ready?
See there?
You ready?
What you mean some brother broke? What you mean by that?
You don't have no money.
But me not have no money neither.
Me no business.
No, furthermore, me want woman, me cannot.
No, me no business about your man. Left she and come to me.
Me business woman. Me.
You see me back. You pass she and upon me. Come with eyes. Could it? You don't see?
I look bad for true, but you are my brother there. And
Give me number. You can't text
me
me.
no want no number. Me no want no number. Me no have no phone neither. I don't have my phone this one.
Me no busy boy, brother. Are you me want?
You can't want me and me not have no money. Who tell us I have money?
You don't have no money. No one tell me nothing.
Mm-hmm.
But are you me want? Come give me number. Come take the number. Like,
No. Alright, take it. Hurry up, because you look like you're in all that.
Alright, it's my number. They call me.
Alright.
Make sure you call me. You know?
Alright.
I said, sister girl,
What?
you want to go belly by the road. What am I going
Ah.
to do? Bust up your dirty girl face, Riri.
Me tell you say you learn you not go far.
You can't be say the girl see me on the road with my man and I call me man this and I call me man what and I disrespect man. After my man get a call and walk off and gone, right? The girl up in my feet. Up in my feet. If you lick all the men are out there, they war.
See the back from the girl.
What you mean?
Me tell you say she not really for
Me
unfriendly
tell her.
girl.
Me tell her, you know. Me tell her I said the friendship done. The friendship over me and that the girl and I go, kiss the girl, she bad mind and ungrateful. She have a man for herself, right?
Right.
Finally, me have a little man for myself. She next about. Don't let the man. You couldn't pick up something better.
I
And
want
then
she
something
want
better.
your man.
I want she want the boy don't want her. Me too like Riri time. Me think me and Riri I did friend, you know. Me think me and Riri I did
Me
so.
did tell you, you not go far. Me did tell you.
Fuck, son, me can't
Me
believe.
did tell you. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
babe. Me have good news. Hello.
Hello, my sister. Me.
Your boyfriend?
Yes.
I mean talk about cute boy.
Yeah.
Thank you for true.
No,
Me
man, you
have
know.
some good news.
No.
No, sorry,
Come
first.
on, I first me see your man.
First, I see in my life, but me have some great news. You see the business when me I tell you about.
Yeah.
You go find the overseas. Come tell us
Yes.
all the youth now when
Mm-hmm.
accepting. So, me alright, I know. All I back payment, I'm supposed to get everything just a forward. Account, and so everything good. So
Well, anyways.
So sister, we can get burger later.
I mean, we can get burger, Popeye's pizza.
You name too much. Be remember say me understand. You don't have to use money and try bribe me. Me know say you don't have no money, so you don't have to worry about it. Me still love you without the money.
No,
You
man.
don't have no money, you just say that kind want me feel.
No, man, me I tell you say good for
Yeah,
you,
man, come and say have money, I say no money. What I'm tell you?
You see by tomorrow, you see what I bring them.
Say money for you?
Yeah, me I tell you, I money send off.
Oh God, I'm so happy for you.
So that me I tell you, man.
I'm happy for you.
So we can move out of here, sir?
No, we don't
No,
go
we
there,
not
son.
move
And
out,
yes,
man.
we are leaving.
Me I really love for you, son. Me I really love for you, son. I make it cheese story, cause so understand. Me don't live like the rain and slow, but so run that.
So sister, your man feel the water?
No, man.
No, man.
Oh God.
So all I ain't sitting there, buddy. Me not really afraid of that water, you know. But me I'll do and go up and sitting there. We call them place there.
Where?
What they sell like vegetable and something. More buy up some market, more get something to your house, man. I'm not hungry.
Yeah.
You
Come
can
on.
I beg on me one.
You
Me
can
no
get-
know food, vegetable
Yeah.
food.
see that they get anything at all,
So what
Burger.
vegetable about?
Sister, yeah. Get up. You know, say, my
Me
father
just
go on the
gonna
road. My father go on the road and deal with something.
what your man?
Me no know when they I'm in their work and in their yard, but my father go on the road.
Ma, can you send me this make your man? Between me and you, remember me details you say. One man did that look one work for me. No, he named Davy. The Davy a man name.
I that's my man name, you know. How my man look, you see my man
Okay.
so kind of sleeping, he said, they ask me.
You never see me did that look funny when he just come in here.
Yeah, I'm asking if you know him, when you say no at first, you see, so you tell me, say, no, girl, come on, go on the rant and tell me stupidness. If you that
Man
look,
did that dope me.
well, if you that look at that is in the past, and me is the future now.
Come.
You is the
You
past.
wanna come on?
Come here, come, no for better come out of anybody. I mean, you want not you anymore.
See,
Hmm?
I want. So I'll come and straighten up this.
Me just see you want to look a nice mood now. What?
They are tired of sick.
Hmm.
You don't want to sit here, you know. I know I said relationship now work so good.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't like if me could ever take a walk.
Mm-hmm.
I just want to free my mind and me try talk out, fix things.
Alright, come on.
Where's me alright
Oh,
now?
you gonna say what to get you to burger and long you can.
School, man, I call the delivery person. He's on
I
it.
know you me attack, you have your money, you see me attack.
One more thing I want to ask you too. Oh, you never tell me say that look my sister.
You tell her.
Oh, you never tell me say that look her.
I never really.
But
Alright,
tell her from before,
Alright,
they pass before you know.
watch out, man. I'm telling you how you go. Tell you how you really go. I want to hear like this about getting time and broke on and money. You see me? This is that pass. Like, we just see man, it like him. But I tell him saying I want to work on something. So we eventually decide the friend. I'm telling someone I get him out, but he never leave my back. Up until then, they are what they force me to say about your sister.
You see?
I don't know nothing to say.
See over the side of her, I said like her one time, say we still like her.
Me can't like your sister now. Sister, my
We
sister
can't
in
like
law.
him now.
Me
No,
not put
me
nothing
sister
past man, but anyways, we like our relationship a go on and everything. So the delivery man come. So when have we move out of here?
Oh man, I'm just a little born and grown.
there.
Man,
You
how
know,
long
something
we
have
want?
food.
We have cool and elevator.
What this? Where did we stop? Butter years. Stop me here. We are doing this.
Mock chop.
Mock out, look out. We are doing that then. You
Yeah.
didn't make your brother style me?
Girl, I make a tan, so how you feel come and style me for me,
I
woman?
know she if the attacker, him know your brother.
So you call me woman mock chop. So
Because I mock chuck.
you know see
He mock out.
mock out with what? And them a woman and you
Ah,
my
see,
brother.
number one. You know if you with them, girl.
First thing, girl, you're wicked. Me will tell her that.
Cause remember say me, oh, me no know how to do them girl, me feel it too, you know. Wait, as a matter of fact, your money, me done with you. As a matter of fact, black and delete, and you me have work with right now.
You ain't no work.
Hold on. Sorry.
Hold on. My bro, look out for man. Look out for man. Use no man. Show y'all this too. I want you hear woman come and wind up for yourself for me. I'm here running more. Watch out.
What did I show? Hey, don't, hey.
What do you ain't come?
Hey,
Ain't come
oi,
on the road.
I
Wind up yourself like a some work. Me I say, girl, watch it prior. I'm
I lie my tail.
Oh, you fear do that? No, me woman that.
No, me.
Brother, if I want other man, I want different video, I'll show you a woman one video with the one naked in the bed. I true my respect you as my brother. Cause this a girl,
I lie.
garbage.
I
In
lie.
real life.
Crop out that.
Yo, come go like that.
Bitch.
Why want
man?
my sister, man?
Watch out, I tell you, see a long time I feel left the girl dog.
When me go down in a brother, I'm going to kill you with lick, you know.
No man, left you alone, run him out of your house. Run him
Me
out
free
of
and
your yo.
single though, I can't talk to
I try to me not beat you man in the dog, but God know, I lift up on them and fall down there with you, but
So,
Chad,
brother,
just
you're not
move on.
for them.
No man, watch us
No,
one nice
she
girl
alone.
man.
Yeah, man. So, look how long you did for me run with that one day, brother. Yeah,
But look how long me I tell her and he come like him play up in your
Nice,
brain
bro.
till I no sense.
Nice, bro. And so, bro, you're hot, man.
You had a
What
long
you say, I give
time.
now one.
I talk to her, I can't hear her. I know my
That's how I'm going to rate.
What kind of nasty this year? Two sister.
Go down, show. Go down, yeah. Go down.